So verify this identity. And remember from the guidelines that we had, it said work on, well, what are we trying to do generally when we say verify? We're trying to show that the left side and the right side are actually the same thing, which means that would be true for any value of theta. This thing should be true, right? And how do we do it? Work on the left to make it look like the right, or work on the right to make it look like the left, or work on both until they meet in the middle. But to say generally, work on the more complicated side first. In this case, that would be probably on the left. So what could we do to simplify on the left? Right, you can factor. Right, you always keep in mind factoring. Since there's sine to the third here and sine to the first here, there's at least one sign in common in both. So factor. Sine theta times, and what's left in the first term if I factor out a sine? Sine squared plus cosine squared. Right? Then what could you do? Right. Remember that we've got these fundamental identities, which you'll be given on the test. And the one we probably use more than any other is right there. Sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. Right? So you need to know where it is and go to it. So we can replace all this with a 1. That's sine theta times a 1, which is sine theta. And now it's the same on the left as it is on the right, so that's done.